To fix a GE Icemaker that's not producing ice, several potential issues can be identified and addressed. If the Icemaker is not functioning, it may be due to the fact that it has been turned off, the filter is clogged, or the temperature is too high. To resolve these issues, start by ensuring the Icemaker is turned on. Locate the power switch or button, which is usually found on the Icemaker or the refrigerator's control panel, and toggle it to the on position if necessary. Next, check the filter, which is typically located on the side door of the Icemaker. Remove the filter and clean it thoroughly to remove any debris. If the filter is old, consider replacing it, as it is recommended to do so every 6 months. Finally, adjust the temperature settings on the Icemaker's control panel to the recommended level, which is around -18 degrees Celsius. Temperatures above -12 degrees Celsius can cause the Icemaker to produce undesired results. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your GE Icemaker and have it producing ice again.